Welcome to the installation guide for the MRS200 Smart Wi-Fi Roller Shutter Belt Winder. This innovative device allows you to automate and control your roller shutters conveniently via your smartphone or voice assistants. Before we dive into the installation, let's first familiarize ourselves with the requirements of this product. The installation surface is strong, level, and suitable for wall-mounted devices. The mounting hole spacing is either 165mm or 185mm. Use only compatible roller shutter belts, 15mm, 23mm widths, of permissible lengths to avoid damaging the device. Ensure your roller shutter's surface area does not exceed approximately 6 square meters for plastic or 3 square meters for aluminum and wooden shutters. Please read the following safety information carefully before proceeding with the installation. Installation must only be performed by qualified personnel familiar with local building and electrical codes. Ensure the device is disconnected from the power supply during installation to prevent electric shock. Verify that the roller shutters run smoothly without sticking. Inspect the product for any damage before installation. Do not use the device for purposes other than intended. Do not allow children to play with the device. If all sounds good, let's see what's inside the box. When you open your device package, you'll find Smart Wi-Fi Roller Shutter Belt Winder, light sensor, a power cable, real compartment cover, fastening holes cover, power cable cover, belt corner bracket, disengaging bracket, assembly screws, with the disengaging bracket allowing manual adjustments during power outages and the light sensor enabling automated shutter control for improved energy efficiency and comfort. With the belt corner bracket, the roller shutter belt can smoothly navigate 90-degree turns, reducing wear and tear and ensuring optimal operation. Before we start installation, here's what you'll need. Phillips screwdriver, scissors, measuring tape, pen. Lower the roller shutter completely before starting the installation. Carefully release the belt tension to avoid injury, ensuring the belt is no longer under tension before proceeding. Fully extend the belt from the casing. When removing the old belt winder, be cautious, as the pretension spring may cause sudden movement. Handle it carefully to prevent injury. Trim the belt at the 20 cm mark, ensuring a straight edge for the new attachment. Then, cut a 2 cm gap in the belt to accommodate the gear mechanism of the new device. Before connecting the power cable, ensure that it is not plugged into a power source. Insert the power cable into the terminal of the device and secure it tightly with a flathead screwdriver. Align the power cable along the channel and secure it with the provided lid. Carefully slide the fastening hook forward using the control buttons to prepare for belt attachment. Insert the belt through the designated slot, and attach the cut gap end of the belt onto the fastening hook. Manually rotate the reel to win the belt around 2 to 3 times, ensuring it is firmly in place. Always disconnect the power before accessing the belt winder compartment. After securing the belt, place the reel compartment cover to protect the assembly. Pull the belt to reveal the screw holes. Secure the device to the wall using the provided screws. Then, attach the fastening holes cover to conceal the mounting hardware. Plug in the device to power it up. If the device works manually and the LED flashes amber and green, proceed with network setting up. We suggest using the meross app to pair the Matter-compatible device. If you are only using a third-party Matter-compatible app, you can also pair through it and share the device with other platforms. Before we start, you need to ensure the following. Make sure your smartphone is running iOS 16.1 or a newer version, preferably updated to the latest version like iOS 18, or Android 10 or later. Ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Before pairing, ensure you've held the up or down button for 10 seconds to reset the device to its factory settings. Firstly, tap on Add Device on the app. Then select Smart Roller Shutter, and choose MRS200. If you've already completed the installation steps as explained before, you can skip the preparation and installation steps and move directly to the Wi-Fi pairing step. Proceed with the pairing process by scanning the QR code, or you can enter the manual setup code. After network pairing, perform the auto-calibration. Auto-calibration automatically detects and sets the top and bottom limits of the roller shutter based on a set midpoint, enabling precise percentage-based control of the shutter's position. We recommend using the meross app to perform auto-calibration. The app provides step-by-step instructions to ensure correct setup. Please manually position your roller shutter at the midpoint of the window. You can operate and stop the roller shutter by clicking the up or down buttons. After clicking Start Calibration, your roller shutter will automatically raise and lower for about 1 to 2 minutes before stopping in the fully open position. Please stay nearby to ensure successful calibration. Avoid interruptions and do not turn off the power during this process. If you are only using a third-party Matter-compatible app, initiate auto-calibration manually after successful pairing and positioning roller shutter at the midpoint by pressing and holding the up and down buttons for 5 seconds. Please note that without calibration, the roller shutter will only support fully open or fully closed operations, without the ability to adjust to percentage levels. The sensor measures environmental light status, facilitating automated shutter control to boost energy efficiency, security, and home comfort. Utilizing this feature requires the installation of the included light sensor and activation of the sunshine position function. If you don't have this need, you can omit the light sensor. It won't impact the device's main function. If you are only using a third-party Matter-compatible app, the light sensor function will not be available. We recommend completing the light sensor setup step by step in the meross app. Connect the light sensor to the device following the diagram. Please avoid excessive force that may damage the interface and do not sharply bend the sensor wire. Test the sensor by pointing it towards a bright area, a dimly lit area, covering the light input, etc. Observe the corresponding changes in brightness in the app to ensure the sensor is functioning properly. This can be done in the setup wizard or within the device settings. Install the light sensor at the bottom corner of the window, following the diagram, and avoid placing it too high. Secure the sensor to the glass using the suction cup. The sunshine position should be set just above the light sensor to ensure the sensor is not obstructed by the roller shutter. This predetermined position is crucial for enabling automatic adjustment of the roller shutter based on specific light conditions. Incorrect positioning may impair light measurement accuracy and potentially disable the function. The sensor gauges environmental brightness, enabling automated settings that enhance energy efficiency, security, and comfort at home. Quickly set your most used modes here or explore richer automation features in the automation section. Here is an example. If you wish to open the roller shutter window every workday morning when the outside is slightly bright, you can set the effective time between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. when light is detected during this time, and set the roller shutter height to 100%, repeating every Monday through Friday. Installation complete. And that's how you turn regular into smart. Thanks for choosing MRS200. Dive into a world of convenience with meross, and we'll see you next time.